Hello guys, welcome back. So this time we're going to review about graph transformation. This one says homework number 1 and this one says practice for 8-2, and you're exactly right. This one was designed as a homework, but now we're gonna do it as a practice. Okay, so let's see if you can remember type 1 traditional. So I will go over this question. So you can graph from x squared and then graph this and find transformation, but that's not gonna help all the time, because when it comes to exponential such as this, then it's gonna be very difficult. So what you have to do is, by looking at this, you should be able to figure out how each components work. First of all, negative. Because of negative, it's gonna be reflected, or you can say flipped, and 1/3 is smaller than 1. So this one is compressed, vertically compressed by 1/3. And C plus 1, and you have to think about opposite for the x value, so it's going to be 1 unit to the left. And due to plus 3, it is 3 units up. So this is a traditional method, so I believe you can do other questions by yourself. For your information, for this question, it's gonna be what? Reflected. Now 4/3 is actually greater than 1, so this one is stretched by 4/3 and 2 units to the right. And 1 unit up. So that's how it works. Should not be a problem. Other questions, I don't see any problem. This one, there's no up and down. There's only left and right here, and this one. Okay. So backside, it's same as well. Maybe this one, if you look at it, it's not compressed because this is the parent function. It's 2x, right? So it's not stretched or compressed. We only have plus 7, so this one is 7 units up. And that's it. Okay, so keep that in mind. Same thing for here. Only thing that we start from here, and we just got -7 here and negative. So how is it gonna move? Figure this one out. Okay. So if you think about this one, it's gonna be very fun as well. So 2 units. So we start from the x squared. It says what? 2 units to the left. So it should be x plus 2 because it should be opposite. It says reflected. And that's it, right? So yeah. And this one does not have a left and right. It just says 3 units down from x cubed. So it's gonna be what? X cubed minus 3 and stretched by a factor of 3. So I'm gonna put 3 and reflected, right? So that's how you do it. Other than that, I don't see any questions that may confuse you. And I don't think so. Maybe this one, but I want you to try it by yourself. And this, okay? So pause the video. For when you do this one, pause the video and do it by yourself. I'll just write down the answer, okay? Now this one is next page. This one is type 3 and it's very important. So we start from e to the x power. It says x minus 2 inside the parentheses, which means since there's no parentheses for the exponential, I mean you can put it like here. That's what you have to do. Minus 3, so it's e x minus 3. So how does it move? 3 units to the right. And of course, by just looking at this one, you can just derive answers like this one. But as I said, you have to know how to find this from this, okay? So you have to know, you have to do this and this. So I don't think you need help on these questions because it's pretty straightforward. Okay, if you need any help, just let me know. See you guys.